Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add sections in Duda site editor. So let's start. First, what you want to do is when you go like widgets here and how you can delete them is just when you get the, I don't know, have image here, you can have it like see an image, nice. And right when you go above it, you're gonna see this button here, the X. Just click on it and you delete it. And then you get like also the empty column here, because the image always, when you add image, it always comes with a column because it needs to be somewhere, right? So you just need to click here and delete it. And this is how you can get rid of the sections and parts, blocks in Duda. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you. See ya and goodbye.